Saraswati Shishkunj Vagwala Borsad, English Medium, Standard 4th, Subject Maths. Today we will start the chapter number 10, Play with Patterns. We all know that we used to play lots of games and many things, right? But with patterns, how? If we will talk about the patterns, then there are lots of different patterns. It is natural patterns also and man-made patterns also. If we talk about the natural pattern, then the arrangement of leaves, the arrangement of leaves on all the trees are different. So it is a natural pattern, we can say, right? So that's called a natural pattern, right? If we will talk about the man-made pattern, fine, man-made pattern, then the patterns which we made on ourselves, that's called man-made pattern. Just like the patterns on the saris, with tiles or on the floor, or in many other ways with numbers, alphabets, taking both alphabets and number together, we can make patterns. We can make the secret messages and lots of things with patterns, right? Even we used to play the game with patterns of Damsharas many times, right? So patterns are used in many ways. Okay, so let's see for that now. If we will talk, then if you will see here, then this is a pattern of a sari. Many times on your mother's saris, sometimes if she had wore that sari, then the same kind of patterns where you will find it at with some other lady also. Okay, so just take the example of our ladies teachers of school only. If you will see the patterns, then every lady's sari of our school teachers are same, right? So that's a pattern we will find, a same pattern, fine. So let's see here the patterns regarding sari. These saris patterns are made with using the blocks. Using the blocks, it is made the pattern. Okay. Then if we will see that how we can make the same design with in a different way, using the same pattern, how we can make the different way. So just see this. If you will see here, it's the same, but arrangement is different. It is arranged in different way. So we found a different pattern. Okay, suppose if you will see here, it's a one kind of rangoli design, we can say that, or simple pattern. This kind of blocks also we can print on saris, on clothes. Okay, so same thing if I will make with square. Now I am taking the outer one inside. This leaves I will make it here. And circle. So look, only different arrangement is made, right? In this way you can also make the different patterns. So let's see few patterns of textbook only, that how using one design we can make different patterns and how we can arrange it in a different way. Okay. Okay, on page number 108 in the textbook, Tinu had used one block, and from that block design he had made a sari, then he had made a bed sheet, and after that he had made dupatta also. Now that same block we have to use to draw few different 3 more designs. Okay, so which design we will use is here, look, this design. And how it is drawn? It's very simple. First you have to make small v, okay, then make straight line of that, right? It means we can write a letter y also. Now join this ends from here and from here. You will get this Okay, and then upper side here in the middle draw a circle. You will get that design, right? Now that block we will use to draw the three different patterns. First we will take only different blocks. It would be easy. How? Look. First we will take it this way only, same one. Then we will inverse it. Okay, we will inverse it. Again, as same as first one. Then downside. Now downside. Then again upper side. Okay, same way here. Here we took upper side. Now we will take downside. So if you will see now here how we will draw. Here upper side we had taken as it is. So here downside we will make inverse. Here same as it is, inverse now. And this way you have to complete the pattern number 1. Now for the pattern number 2, we will take double of 1. Okay, means 2 we will take here. This round will go in a similar position like this. Okay, for here it will be then here. Okay, after that downside same way you have to draw these patterns. It's not like that you just have to draw with pencil. You can use the color pencils also to draw these patterns. Okay, or if you want to fill the color, then you can fill the color also to make your patterns colorful. Okay, here we had taken the single block. Here we had taken double blocks. Now we will make double of 2 in the pattern number 3. So we can see in the two ways this patterns. We had taken in the flower different design also, and we had double this number also. Number 1, here only we had taken single. Then here we had taken 2 times in a one box. Now we will take double of 2, means 4 times in a one box we will take together. Okay, so let's draw it here in the number 4th one. First, if you are unable to draw this kind of way, then what you will do, you have to draw the shapes V in towards corners. Look here, V shape here, then another towards another here, for last one here. Now make this pattern, complete it, and draw at last rounds. Right? It make the flower pattern using 4 blocks. Same. Okay, so in this way you have to draw these patterns in all these boxes of page number 108. First pattern here you will draw. For the second pattern you will draw this kind of one in all the boxes, and for the third pattern over here like this. I hope it is clear for you. Now let's see more patterns. Okay. Okay, on page number 109, Yamini had drawn her own pattern using the different blocks. Okay, but we have to help her to complete these patterns. So we will complete these patterns. If you will see in the number 1, then first only 1 leaf is there, then 2 leaves are there, then 3 leaves, and then 4 leaves, and again after 1 leaf. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. It's getting increased. The number pattern is there of leaf. Okay, but up to 4. Then again it came here 1. So what will be there here in the next blank? After 1, which pattern is that? 2 leaves pattern, right? So here we will draw 2 leaves. Then we have to draw 3 leaves as it is given here. And after that 4 leaves here. Got it? Now second design is there, is of arrows like this. Okay, four and then 5. So if you will see in the second number, then you can see that here 2 leaves are towards up, then 2 downside arrows are there, then 3 are here given, 3 arrows lines are there, 1, 2 and 3, inside also 3 are there, right? So here also 3 lines and inside also 3 lines are there. Now 2, 3 and then 4 we will draw here, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and inside also we have to make 4. First these arrows towards upper side, 4 arrows, same way here. Okay, now downsides means inverse. Like this you have to draw it. Okay, it would be very easy for you and you will love, you will enjoy also doing all these patterns work. And now we will draw it here 5 towards upper side. Like this. Got it? After that the circles are there in the number 3. In circle 4 quarters are there, 4 equal parts are made. In first one it is shaded here, after that here, and then in the third one another one, third part is shaded. So it's getting rotate towards left to right side. Okay, it's going means if you will see then it is towards right to left. Okay, it's going from right side here, look, now it came here and then it's going here. Afterward in next one it will go, it will come here. Now what will be there for next? So again we will complete that rotation. In the circle it is there, so it will get rotate again and again, same thing. So again as the first one here, look, this first one came in the second blank. Now the second one will come in the third blank. You can draw these circles using small coins or any thing if you have them at your homes to make it perfect one. And instead of doing this dash, you can fill that red color also, which is already there in the textbook, right? Now in the fourth one it is given alphabets. Look, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. It's a capital alphabet. Okay, whenever it is given capital alphabet pattern, then you have to write only capital alphabet pattern. If it is given small alphabet patterns, then you have to write over the small alphabet pattern, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So it's getting continued. Okay, 3 pairs alphabet are written. So G, H, I. After that J, K, L. So here it will be J, K, L. Then M, N, O. After that P, Q, R. Okay, in this way you can complete the alphabet patterns also. Now in the fifth one, look how it is there, number and alphabet both it is there, but with the number it is given the last alphabet. Z is there. With 28, with 27 it is Y, means alphabet sequence is going inversely from Z to starting. Okay, so how much the blanks will be there, that much we have to write it here. 26x, so after 26 what comes? This is also, look, 28, 27, 26. From 28, number sequence is also going inversely. Okay, number sequence is also going inversely. So numbers and alphabet sequence should be go in a inverse way, and alphabets are capital. So everyone has to write capital alphabets here. 26 before 25, and before X it comes W. Before 25, 24, and here V. Then 23, with that U. Okay, just take a look of these patterns and you have to do it in your textbook also. Okay, few more patterns we have to complete it on page number 109. So let's complete that. Number 6, 864, 764, 664. Look, here the pattern of number, okay, 3-digit number pattern is given to you. Okay, what is the difference? That the 100 place number is getting changed. It's getting in a inverse way now. First it is given 8, then 7, then 6. It's getting decrease at hundreds. Okay, tens and units place is not getting changed. So now what will be there after 664? It will be 564. Yes, 564. Then 464, and last what it will be? 364, right? Okay, now let's see number 7. 9, then 109, 209. Look, here the pattern number 9 is common everywhere. What it is changed only, here it is added 10, means 100 place is added here, right? In the second one it is added 100, then here it is added 200. Okay, then here we have to add 300, 400, and then 500. But with that we don't have to, we should not forget to keep, with that we should not forget to keep 9. So here it will be 309, then 409, after that 509. Okay. Now let's see number 8. If you will see here, then it is given 901, 802, 703. Okay, look, the 100 place digit number is going inversely from 9, 8, 7. It's getting decreased, it's in a decreasing, right? Then if you will see 100 ones place, okay, if you will see ones place, then here it is written 1, then 2, and then 3. Okay, here it getting increasing. So 901, 802, 703. After that what it will be? 604, right? So here we will write 604. Then 505. After that 406. Okay, like this it will come. Instead of this 2, 8 and 9, you can write it on your own also, any pattern. Fine. 0, 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 3, 0. Here only tens place number is changed. So we have to change and continue that pattern. So here it will come 0, 4, 0, means 40 we can say, then 0, 5, 0, and then 0, 6, 0. Okay, now let's see the pattern one given over on page number 106. What it is there? Look at the number box. Okay, look this number box. It is written 1, 2 and 3 number. Now you try writing the letters A, B, C in the box. In the another box you have to write letter A, B and C, capital only. Okay, so that no letters comes twice in any line. You have to write in a that way that not any single alphabet should come in a twice in a one line. Okay, it should not come twice in a one line. Remember that. If you will notice here, vertically as well as horizontally also, not a single number is getting repeated. In the same way we have to do for alphabets. But first of all, focus on number 1, where it is here, here and here. So instead of 1, we will write A in a same way. A. Now focus it on number 2 only. It's here, here and here. So first we will write this side B instead of 2. Still 1 remain, so that we will keep here in a corner. Right? Now C. Wherever the empty box are there, keep there C. Okay. I hope that it is clear for you about the patterns. Okay, that how the patterns are used of numbers, alphabets, or we can take together number and alphabet also. Even the natural patterns like leaves, block prints of sari, clothes, other clothes material and that. I hope you will do your worksheet well. Thank you.